Hello everybody, just got back from flying this little cream puff of an airplane. Open cockpit, winds in your hair, all that stuff. You can hear the engine and you can feel the wind coming around the windscreen. Fantastic, just a great thing to do on a summer day, fly an open cockpit airplane. Anyway, AMT155, this is week 12 I think. Anyway, it's last week of July. There's no labs for my classes this week. So no labs this week. We will have a lab first week of August and the second week of August. And I'll let you know more information on that. Gary, I think, does have labs. For this week, you owe me 2 assignments. And those 2 assignments are due Sunday night by midnight. 11:59 p.m. Sunday night. Those are due. There's a blog, and the blog is on helicopters and on helicopter rigging. More on like tracking and resonance. We're going to talk about that this week. I've got some videos for you to watch. The second assignment to do is a quiz, and it's a quiz and it's on helicopters. And so we have 2 weeks on helicopters. We did 1 week early on, then we got in the 172 project. Now we are back on helicopters to get close to finishing up here. So those 2 assignments, the lecture is 2 o'clock on Tuesday. So just remember, I have lectures on Monday at 2 o'clock, that's inspections class. Tuesday at 2 o'clock is assembly and rigging, and Wednesday at 2 o'clock is aircraft systems. I think that's about all you need to know for this week. If you got any questions, call me, email me, text me. We'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good week.